Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a beautiful walking journey through the heart of Paris. We'll visit some of the city's most famous and historic landmarks: the Arc de Triomphe, Place de la Concorde, the Egyptian obelisk, l'Église de la Madeleine, Place de la Bastille, and the beautiful gardens of Paris. Let's discover together the timeless charm, culture, and elegance of this incredible city. Our walk begins at the majestic Arc de Triomphe, one of the most iconic monuments in France. Built to honor those who fought for the nation, it stands proudly at the end of the Champs-Élysées. Next, we arrive at Place de la Concorde, one of the largest and most historic squares in Paris. Surrounded by elegant fountains, sculptures, and grand buildings, this square captures the essence of Parisian style. Once the site of major events in French history, today it's a peaceful place where locals and travelers cross paths between the Champs-Élysées and the Tuileries Garden. At the center of Place de la Concorde stands the Luxor obelisk, an ancient monument more than 3,000 years old. It was a gift from Egypt to France in the 19th century. Its golden pyramid tip shines under the Paris sunlight, adding a touch of ancient beauty to the modern city. The obelisk reminds us that Paris is not just French. It's a city of the world. Just a few steps away stands l'Église de la Madeleine, one of Paris's most beautiful and recognizable churches. With its grand columns and temple-like design, it's a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture. This church is a place where art, history, and spirituality come together in harmony. Our next stop is Place de la Bastille, a landmark rich in revolutionary history. Next, we pass by the Grand Palais, a magnificent historic building with a sweeping glass roof and elegant Beaux-Arts architecture. It hosts major exhibitions, fashion shows, and cultural events, making it a true Parisian landmark. As we stroll through the streets of Paris, we see locals going about their day, enjoying cafes, shopping, and lively conversations. People walk along the boulevards, stopping at charming shops, or pausing to take in the city's beauty, giving the streets a vibrant, everyday energy. From busy intersections to quiet side streets, the rhythm of daily life in Paris is full of charm, color, and motion. As we continue, we explore the daily life of Paris, the rhythm of the streets, the charm of its cafes, and the beauty of its gardens. From the Tuileries Garden near the Louvre to the Luxembourg Garden on the left bank, every green space tells a story. Locals relax under the trees, children play by the fountains, and artists find inspiration everywhere. Thank you for joining this journey through Paris. If you enjoyed this tour, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more 4K walking tours and travel adventures from around the world. See you in the next episode. And until then, keep exploring the world with us.